Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Millbrae local and long-distance movers near me. If you're trying to take the worry out of your move, our expert movers make your long-distance move more convenient. When you want to move 100 miles away or even 3,000 miles away, we can assist. Our moving services provide you all of the right choices to individualize your move for your specific requirements. Along with loading, transportation, and unloading, our experts also offer a lot of other moving services including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing a local California moving company could seem unnecessary at first. However, when you begin to realize the benefits, the price seems to be well worth it. A reliable moving company is going to enable you to save time, no matter how far you're going. Movers may also make sure you don't need to worry about injury since you will not have to do any heavy lifting. Our team of skilled movers will ensure your move is extremely efficient. Moving day gets much easier with 3 movers simply because we improve your entire move. A move that might take you all weekend to finish, we can handle in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Millbrae moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.